All right, this one is I call it a double chain, because I'm first going to rewrite this one. I'm going to rewrite it so you can see there's a squared on the outside of the whole thing. That's the first thing. You want to put the squared on the whole thing. This is a cotangent. Thank you. We fix that to cotangent. So cotangent, thank you. Now, to derive this, you derive the outside. So this squared, you got to bring that and put it out front. 2 times 2 is 4. Leaves you cotangent, my mistake. And when you subtract 1 from 2, you just get 1, so we don't need to put a 1 there. And from that, I now need to derive the inside. Well, the inside, isn't this whole thing the inside? So if I derive this whole thing, am I going to run out of room right here? Yes. So this is kind of weird, but can I finish it this way and finish underneath? I'm going to run out of room over here. So if I derive now this right here, okay, there's a 1 power here. You don't have to have it, but derive that. Well, the derivative of cotangent is negative secant squared. So this is going to be negative cosecant. I always put that co on it. Negative cosecant squared pi t plus 2. Okay, so you derived the outside cotangent. You got negative cosecant squared. Leave the inside. Now, do you see, again, something inside? I still got to derive this inside of here. The derivative of that is simply pi. And that pi is lost a lot of times. Be very careful. So the outside was the squared. Derive the inside cotangent, you got a negative cosecant squared. Derive the inside here, you got pi. It's kind of lengthy, but you'll get used to it over time. So the derivative looks like it's simply going to be a 4 times a pi, so that would be 4 pi. Now, isn't it negative because it's negative right here? Negative pi and 4 gives you negative 4 pi. I then have a cotangent and a cosecant squared. As I think that's going off my screen almost. So that's the whole answer. Looks like it. Now, could we mess with cotangent and cosecant and probably combine those in some other way, maybe simplify? Probably. I'm going to leave it like this. I like this one. That looks good to me.